to all. As we know, the market is going sideways only. Not many positive triggers are there. Iran-US war is also not coming to the conclusion. Here and there things are popping up, and due to which the volatility is still there. Oil price is not at all settling. One day one news, it's okay, coming down a little bit, again it's jumping. So volatility is there in the market. So in between, I'm here again with you. Today I will take you 10 shares which is on 25-week low, from 20, 25, 30, 40% down from their 52-week high. So this kind of situation is really good if you are trying to build your portfolio or you want to rearrange your portfolio. So couple of advice what I will give for all the retail investors. This is a very critical time. So invest whatever spare money you have. Don't expect that you will invest and then make a good money, and then if you need in between some funds, then you can pull from the share market. So this is the time when you should invest and forget for minimum 2-3 years. In between, market will definitely get better and then we will get a good run from there. So in between, you have to change your strategy, and whatever spare money you have, which you don't need for next 1-2 years, invest that fund only. So it will not impact your day-to-day financial situation. Same time, I also want to give one disclaimer that this is only for educational purpose. I'm taking 10 shares from different sectors to highlight that the situation in some of the sectors is little bit shaky. Some of the companies, they are also struggling, and I will also try to analyze a little bit of the key triggers why this is down, and then from there you can take a call. So it's not a recommendation, just for educational purpose. So if you want to buy or do whatever thing, then you can take a call, you can do your own research and then take a call what you have to do. So let's start. The first in the list is Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. TCS currently down by almost 38 to 40%. And the main trigger, the AI. Earlier, they have a different business portfolio. Now they are changing their strategy and trying to involve themselves into some kind of R&D and get some AI also in their portfolio. So how quickly they implement all those things, now all depends on that. But yeah, still, if you are eyeing for 2, 3, 4 years period, then definitely it's a good company. It's India's biggest IT company. If I talk about their market capitalization, it's somewhere around 9 lakh crore. It's massive. Their current market price is somewhere around 2,150 to 2,200, 250 is just going around that only. And if I talk about their PE, that also is okay. 17, 18 is their PE. So by all parameters, it's okay, but yeah, it's down. If I talk about their 52-week high, it was somewhere around 3,550, 3,650, somewhere there. But now, as I told you, it's hovering somewhere around 2,100, 2,200. The second in the list is ITC. It's a FMCG. The major product they have is tobacco, but the government changed the custom duty and some other charges also. So due to that, they got a big impact. Even FMCG market is little bit going on the slower side. So considering all those things, their price is also down by almost 35 to 36%. Their 52-week high was around 425, 430, and currently they are somewhere around 280, 275, 285. So it's going in that band only. If I talk about their market cap, it's also somewhere around 3,50,000 crore. And their PE, that also is normal, 18, 19, somewhere around that. Third in the list is HDFC Bank. If I talk about their current market price, it's somewhere around 730, 740. And 52-week high was somewhere around 1,020 to 1,040. The main trigger for their price correction is some corporate governance issues, some of the bond issues which happened in Dubai. Now some of the other issues came out, and due to that their price is down. And if I talk about in percentage, it's down somewhere around 23 to 25% from their 52-week high. If I talk about their market capitalization, is somewhere around 11,44,000. It's huge. They are India's biggest bank. So of course market cap is also on the high. If I talk about their PE, that also is reasonable. It's around 15. Now next in the list is BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. This is a defense company which is mainly involved in manufacturing of BrahMos and other kind of intercontinental ballistic missiles and all related things. If I talk about their current market price, it's somewhere around 1200, 1210, 1225. and their 52-week high was 2015-2020. So they are also down by almost 38 to 40%. Of course, due to market instability and all the sector has got impacted. So here also it is down by almost 38 to 40%, and their market capitalization is somewhere around 44,000 crore. And if I talk about their PE, it's 105. Although it's on the higher side, but as you know, it's a growth company, so growth companies PE always stay on the higher side, and same time if it's a value company, then the PE will stay on the lower side. Now the next in the list is IRCTC. As you know, when it comes to railway ticket booking or catering inside the train, rail near, now they're coming with the different tour and travel packages. So IRCTC, they are having monopoly in their sectors in providing services in railway. Their current market price is somewhere around 515, 520, and 52-week high was somewhere around 800 rupees. So if I talk about their price correction, it's somewhere around 33 to 35% down from their 52-week high. Their market capitalization is somewhere around 40 to 41,000 crore. And if I talk about PE is somewhere around 29. Now next in the list is from aviation sector, and it's Interglobe Aviation Limited. We know by IndiGo. If I talk about IndiGo, their current price is somewhere around 4,400, 4,500, and their 52-week high was 6,200, 6,250, like that. And their main reason for price correction is volatility in the oil price, and also the fuel price has been impacted very badly due to price increase in the fuel. And if I talk about the price correction, it's somewhere around 20%. They are down from their 52-week high. If I talk about the market capitalization, it's somewhere around 1,76,000 crore. They are the number one airline in India and holding almost 66% market share when it comes to Indian aviation industry. So they are too big. Of course, that it's a phase. Once the things will settle, especially that Iran and US war, supply chain of oil, crude issues, once all these things will settle down, then definitely they will go back on the new trajectory when it comes to the pricing. Now next in the list is Lodha Developers. They are from the real estate, and as we know, last 8-10 months real estate all over India is little bit on the slower side after 2-3 years of bull run. So of course, after every peak, little bit downfall is there. So it's a kind of price correction, and the current price is somewhere around 870 to 880, 885 from 52-week high, which was around 1520. And if I talk about the in percentage, it's somewhere around 40% of correction in Lodha Developers. Their market capitalization is somewhere around 88,000 crore. And if I talk about the PE, that's somewhere around 25, 26. Now the next in the list is Trent Limited. As we know, the Judio, the big brand when it comes to apparel, is created by Trent. It's a Tata Group company. Of course, from their high, which was around all-time high was 6,200, but if we talk about 52-week high, it was somewhere around 4,100, 4,200, and from there the current market price is somewhere around 27, 2,800, and they are down by 28%. If I talk about their market capitalization, it's somewhere around 1,50,000, 1,55,000 crore. And their PE, it's 87. So this is also a growth share. So PE is on the higher side. The next in the list is CDSL. If I talk about CDSL, they maintain all the demat accounts what retailers plus other investors do the transaction. And this is a duopoly sector. Only two companies there. CDSL is a big stakeholder here also. And if I talk about their current market price is somewhere around 1,200 rupees, 1,210, 1,215, and from 52-week high, which was 1,830, 1,850, they are down by almost 33%. Their market capitalization is somewhere around 25,000 crore. And same time, if I talk about their PE, it's around 55, 56. So this is also a little bit on the higher side because they are in the duopoly and they are also a growth company. So these were the company from today's list which are down by almost 20, 30, 35, 40% from their 52-week high. When these kind of consolidation is going on, then definitely in pockets, in companies, in sectors, you can do your research, you can check the financials, you can check the different parameters and pin down some of the companies which you didn't bought in the past due to higher valuation or higher price. So now whenever those companies come in your range, definitely you can invest and keep it for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Whenever you buy for 3, 4 years, definitely you don't gonna lose money. And with time, of course, return will also come. So this was for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more educational and informative video. And same time, stay safe, stay healthy by the time I come with the next video. Thank you.